Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2008 Tundra. This one came to us out of Tennessee. It's got a pretty cool setup. It's got the BDS 7-inch lift, 18x9 fuel rebels, and a +1 offset. It's got a 37 1250 18 Toyo RT Pro. You'll notice the Pro has a lot larger sidewall lugs on it compared to this, the RT Trail. It just gives it a lot more aggressive look to it. Still very similar tread pattern. Real cool looking truck. You don't see as many of these Tundras lifted up at 7 inches. Not near as many as we used to anyways. We used to do a lot of this setup. We also optioned for the BDS upper control arms. We were actually gonna do the full coilover, but they were on back order. So we did the extension. You'll notice the strut extension. Let me get down here. It's on the bottom, so it stays hidden. Just kind of gives it a cleaner look in the fender well. At 7 inches, it does have a little bit of angle on your tie rod and your CV axles compared to, say, like if you were to set it at 4 or 5. It's got a full one-piece skid plate to protect everything. As far as trimming goes, we did have to do a body mount modification that you see there. Had to trim some of the inner plastic and roll the back side of the fender through here in, and then trim some of the inner plastic up front as well. So essentially this section gets cut out, and then through here will get cut. But I'm sorry, this did not get cut, just this. It just opens it up and gives room for the tire to swing in. And now, obviously that's, if you didn't do a 37, you did a 35, you wouldn't have to worry about any of that. We also did a full dual exhaust system on it. It's built all out of stainless 2.5 inch. No muffler, and then customer wanted the tips dumped at the corner of the bumper, which is a little challenging. If I can get this wide angle here. A little challenging on the Tundras because the shackles are right in the way, but it turned out pretty nice. Give you one more side look here. The 37s on these Tundras do look killer. 35s look nice, but 37s are the ticket on these. But typically you're gonna have to do the body mount modifications to gain a little extra clearance, unless you're just running a really positive offset wheel. So on this setup, if you wanted to try to avoid that, you'd probably have to step up to a 20 so that you could pull the wheel in with a little more positive offset, and that would get you away, or pull the wheel and tire in some, and less modifications as far as tire clearancing would be needed. But this thing has such a killer stance, I wouldn't change a thing on it. All right, guys, it's gonna be on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.